In this video, we'll be talking about how to find the HSBC Swift Code online. So what you can do is you can just head over and then generate a statement of account from your mobile banking or your actual HSBC application. Now, once you have generated, we should be able to see in here in this. So this is actually just an example. So on your statement, you should be able to see in here this code right here. So this code is actually your Swift code that you can utilize. So on this, the first four letters is the bank code. You can see in here our bank code, which is the HSBC right here. And the second letter is the country code. We have in here GB, which is actually right because this from a UK bank. And then CC location code, and then the last three letters is the branch code. So this since is just an example, they only have in here XXX. But if you have those right here, we should be able to see it from there.